This video consists of slokas 1 to 5 of Dasaka 10 of Narayaniyam, describing variety of creation, that is Srishti Bedangal. Om Sri Gurupyo Namaha Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloka 1. वैकुण्ठवर्तित फलोध भवल प्रसादाद अम्बोजयोनिरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चां यादिर्मनुष्यनिवहान् अभिदेव वेदान्. Vaikuntha, O Lord of Vaikuntha Vardida Bala Atha Bhaval Prasadad, Brahma, whose strength had enhanced then by thy grace, Amboja Yonihi, the lotus born Brahma, Asrijat Kila, it is said, Brahma created Jiva Dehan, bodies of Jivas, Sanuni, the non moving entities like trees, etc., Buruhamayani, which grow on the earth, and Tata Tirasham Jadim, and animals, birds, etc., Manushya Nivahanabi, and also humankind, Deva Vedan, and various divine beings. Meaning, O Lord of Vaikuntha, by thy grace, with increased spiritual powers, Brahma started creation. He created varieties of beings, those that grow on earth and are non-moving like trees, etc., as well as the moving like animals, birds, etc., human beings, and various divine beings. These serve as bodies for the jivas to enter into. And the jivas take birth according to their past karma. मिथ्याग्रहास्मिमदि रागविकोपभीदिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्धाम तापसपदार्थविधानदो न तेने तुदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै. Ajnanavrittiditi Panchavidam cha Srishta. Brahma, having created the 5 kinds of effects of ignorance, that is Mithyagraha, Asmimadiraga, Vigopa, Vidhihi, false apprehension, egoism, attachment, anger and fear, Uddhama, Tapasa, Padartha, Vidhana, Udona, and repenting for having created these extremely tamasic qualities, Tene Todiya Charanasmaranam, resorted to thy lotus feet contemplation, Vishuddhyai, that is for self purification. Meaning, Brahma then created the 5-fold effects of ignorance, which are wrong apprehension, egoism, attachment, anger, and fear. Having created these extremely negative qualities and repenting for doing so, Brahma resorted to meditate on thy lotus feet for self purification. Third sloka. Tavat sasarja manasa sanagam sanandam bhuya sanadana munim cha sanat kumaram te srishti karmani tu te tena niyujyamanaha twalpada bhakti rasiga jagarkurvavani. Tavat samarja manasa sanagam sanandam. Then Brahma created from his mind sages Sanaka, Sanadana, Bhuya Sanadana Munim cha Sanat Kumaram. Also Sanadana Muni and Sanat Kumara. Te Srishti Karmanitu Tena Niyujyamana. And though Brahma asked them to engage in the job of creation, Tat Pada Bhakti Rasiga, those sages who were immersed in devotion to thy feet, Jaguhu Navanim, did not heed to Brahma's words. Meaning, Brahma then from his mind created Sanaka, Sanadana, and Sanatana Muni and Sanat Kumaras. Even though they were directed by Brahma to engage in the work of creation, they did not heed his words because they were highly devoted to thy feet. Fourth sloka. Tavat prakopamudidam pradirundhatosya भ्रूमद्योदो जनिमृढो भवते गदेश नामानि मे कुरुपदानि च हा विरिञ्जेदि आदौ रुरोध किल तेन सरुद्रनामा. Tavad, then from Brahma, Pragopama Udidam Pradirundhataha, who was suppressing the anger which arose in him, Asya Bhrumadyadaha, from Brahma's middle of the eyebrows, Ajani Mudaha, Mrida was born. Bhavat Egadeshaha Idi Ado Ruroda, who was a part incarnation of thine. Idi Ado Ruroda, thus at once he cried out, Ha Virincha, O Brahma, Namani me Guru, provide me with names, Padani cha, and abodes. Kila tena sa Rudra Nama. Because of that, he came to know as Rudra. Ruroda idi Rudra. Meaning, a great anger arose in Brahma because he was refused his bidding by his mental sons, which he tried to suppress. This caused the birth of Mrida from between his eyebrows, who is a part incarnation of thine. Mrida at once cried out and told Brahma to provide him with names and abodes. Thus, Mrida came to be known as Rudra. Next sloka. Egadashahvayataya cha vibhinna rupam rudram vidhaya daida vanida cha dattva tavandya datta cha padani bhavat pranunna praha praja virajanaya cha sadaram tam. Rudram vidhaya, giving Rudra, Egadasha ahvayata cha vibhinna rupam, 11 names and different forms, Daidaha Vanidascha Dattva, and also giving 11 dear wives, Tavandi Udattacha Padani, and as many abodes too, Bhavada Pranunaha, then impelled by thee, Hare, Praha Praja Virachanaya Cha Sadaramta. Brahma requested him, that is Rudra, humbly for the creation of beings. Meaning, Brahma, then prompted by you, gave Rudra 11 names, forms, abodes, and as many wives, and humbly requested him to help in the creative process. The first 5th slokas of 10th chapter concludes here. Now, to end this, we will have a dhyana sloka. Dukkhanyalokya jandushvalamudita vivekoham acharya varyade labdva tadrupatatvam gunacharitakataha udbhava bhakti bhuma mayamenam taritva paramasukamaye tvatpade modidahe tasyayam purvarangaha pavanapurapade nashaya shesharogan. Hari Guru Ayappa Sharanam. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe and press bell button in your YouTube. Thank you.